Here we come to the elevator at the Speech, Language, and Hearing Sciences building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This elevator used to be something very vintage. Unfortunately, it was modernized by Schindler. Let's start by going down. It has the Vandal Resistant Fixtures, MT/HT. We're about to find out once we're in the cab. Pretty sure these are MT. Let's get our cab view. I believe it's MT fixtures. JL interlock. Cannot see up much up the shaft. You see a little bit. Let's start out by going down to 1. Capacity 2,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1. That's where the original indicator was in the original phone. Let's go up to 5. Door close does not work. I believe this is HT Vandal Resistant. Let's go up to 5. Here we are on 5. A little bit of classic leveling. Let's ring the bell. Chime is on this side. And we'll go down to 1 again. This is awesome despite being modernized. Schindler HT Vandal Resistant Fixtures. ADA compliant phone built into the car station. Very nice. Cab seems to still be original. Here we are on 1. That's what the original indicator was. And we'll end it on 2. Let's see if this has an accelerated floor indicator. Not really. A little bit of classic leveling. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.